Introduce reviews or features highlight before select NOUTAIU mirror dash cam front and rear. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you choose NOUTAIU mirror dash cam front and rear. Better visual performance. The display included in this car dash cam set is 10.88 inches and operates on an IPS panel for a better preview of the footage. Also, the display offers touchscreen functionality allowing you to control the cameras with ease. Dual camera, comprehensive view. This mirror dashcam offers standard FHD 1080p resolution video capture from the front-facing camera and 720p video resolution from the rear-facing unit. It ensures wide angles up to 170 degrees capture from the front and 140 degrees from the rear camera unit. The dashcams for cars front and rear do not leave any blind spot on the footage and allows you to check all angles with ease, like the face of a passenger or number plates from the footage. Starlight night vision support. Our dash camera is rated for super night vision functionality, which offers an impeccable display in dark for better security of your car. Parking mode and G-sensor. Parking mode provides your car 24-hour protection from suspicious activity, attempted theft, or parking bumps. Combined with G-sensor, the dash cam will lock the footage to prevent the video from being overwritten when it detects a sudden shake/collision, which can be used as evidence and insurance claims during car accidents. Loop recording. Our dash cam for car allows for continuous recording, even if the TF memory card reaches full capacity. This means older files are overwritten once the TF card reaches its file size limit. The dash cam will be recording on a continuous loop when powered on. Note: up to 256 GB TF card is supported. TF card is not included in the set. If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends, important. Don't forget to press subscribe us and press the bell to get instant notifications of all.